Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the Viki app now and begin. First, make sure your device is online and that you know the email or social account tied to Viki. Tap Sign in immediately because waiting wastes time. Choose the desired method, email, Google, or Facebook. You're starting authentication. Selecting the correct method avoids extra steps later. Once chosen, the app will display the corresponding form or redirect. So prepare to enter credentials or approve the social login prompt that appears on screen. Now enter your credentials carefully because a small typo is the most common cause of failure. When you type your email, confirm the domain and username, then enter your password and use the reveal icon to double-check characters. If you chose a social provider, follow the redirect, approve permissions, and allow the provider to return you to Viki. If the app asks for two-factor codes, fetch them from your authenticator or SMS and submit. Completing these steps moves you to account verification and session creation. You're almost done. Once authenticated, Viki loads your home screen and profile. Verify your username and subscription status to confirm success. Make sure preferences and notifications sync because they personalize recommendations and playback. If you want to stay signed in, enable persistent login when prompted. If login fails, don't panic. Try reset password first and only then clear the app cache or reinstall. That one troubleshooting tip: reset the password, fixes most stuck logins quickly because it renews credentials and removes stale tokens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.